Hi, my name is Grace Doyle, and this project is about paper consumption in LB274 specifically. Paper is used in all aspects of the classroom. Paper is printed for in-class activities, investigations, homework, and exams. Paper is also used when the professor uses overhead projector. On top of that, most students use paper notebooks to take notes. Taking notes traditionally has been found to increase learning compared to typing notes. According to a study, those who handwrite their notes had better memories of factual data, conceptual comprehension, and synthesizing capabilities. Especially when it comes to physics, it's more convenient to jot down equations than to try to type them out on a laptop. In class, we tried to reduce, reuse, and recycle. We reduce our paper consumption by printing out one pre-lab per group for formal labs. We reuse by using the back of recycled paper as scratch paper for the overhead projector, and we recycle by having paper recycling boxes at both exits of the classroom. So how does this subsection fit into the bigger picture? Well, Nerali talked about how the specific paper company Briggs uses, Boise Aspen, uses paper pulp from recycled paper to make their paper. Maria talked about how much paper is made annually and how much is used, and she estimated that Lyman Briggs uses 260,000 sheets of paper per semester, and this approximation is based off the paper use of one student in LB273. And Shannon talks about who on campus uses the paper. Everyone in some way on campus uses paper because there's not yet to be any paper-free labs or classrooms. Natalie and Lauren talked about how recycled paper goes to the MSU Recycling Center and is turned into pulp, which then can be used to make recycled paper. And then finally, Grace J talked about the environmental impacts of paper use. And she talked about how there are 7 billion trees cut down annually for paper production, and how there is a lot of CO2 emissions due to the distribution of paper. Though Lyman Briggs does a good job at trying to reduce their paper consumption, some solutions I have would be completing homework online through Long Kappa, which has been done previously in Dr. Mohan's LB273 class, having exams online, or providing students with iPads so they can work on assignments digitally.